What's up guys, this is TampaTec and this is the NeaKasa pet vacuum that I reviewed last year. Well, NeaKasa came out with a new version and this is the NeaKasa Grooming Pet Vacuum Pro S1. So we're going to compare the old vacuum and show you all the great features and upgrades they included in the new vacuum. NeaKasa sells 4 pet grooming vacuums. You can find them on the NeaKasa website in the video description below link. They also sell robotic vacuums as well and many other products. You can check it out at their website. Here's everything that's included: the pin brush, the dematting tool, de-shedding tool, clipper head, small clipper head, and nail grinder, hair remover roller, and crevice tool. And by the way, do not destroy this box because you can actually later on convert it into a cat house for your cat. That is super creative thinking. Alright, this is the hose. So it's about a 5-foot hose. This side is where you attach the tools and it's labeled. This is where you attach the vacuum. And if you want to remove it, you just push this button and slide it out. What I like about this hose is that it actually runs power too, to power some of the tools. You can see the 2 connectors right here and here. Now if you want to remove the bin, you just push down right here and then you can remove the bin. There is also a 3-stage filtration system, which is really nice. So put this side on first and clamp it on. It has a nice handle. Now with the older style, the previous model, you have 1, 2, 3 modes. That's high, medium, and low. On low speed, my pets don't really get too nervous, but on medium, my pets start to get nervous and they want to move. Here's the tools. It has 1 pin brush that you can push and that removes the hair and sucks the hair into the hole. A crevice tool to suck the pet hair out of your couch cushions. A clipper tool that you can adjust right here from 1.6 millimeters to 1.2 millimeters. And it sucks into this hole right here. And you have another suction brush right here and a de-shedding tool as well. And you can just push this to get the hair off and it goes into this hole. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools. And the new version has 8 tools. You press this button right here and you can remove it. Looks like we're gonna have to clean out that filter, that's for sure. Oof.
He's waiting for his brushing.
No, he has his back to you. That's funny.
That's gonna be your handle to hold the caddy of all the accessories.
So I don't know if you can see that or not, but they're actually images right here showing you what tool goes in what slot.
Look at that, Cable. Why you look at that? Cable.
Sit down, please. Don't sit over there.
Over here. So you just do your brushing first with it off, this one, so it doesn't scare them, and then when you got the brush full, oh.
So the orange button is for power, and then the gray button is different modes.
Cable, stand up.
For
stand
suction
up.
power.
Cable.
It has more tools than the previous model, including the nail grinder, a bigger bin, 3 liters, and more suction power.
Lift straight up. That's what it said.
Said that?
Yep, right here.
Cable's being a good boy.
Ooh, you caught that one, big guy.
Alright, let's...
Cable, sit.
Alright, Cable, spin. Bam! Stay. There you go.
In with.
Is it taking too long?
Well, because, yeah, I should trim them first and then file them, buff them down. He's not fighting me at all, which is really good. Look.
Alright. That's the roller. Alright, so go ahead and use the pet hair remover. Looks pretty good. Okay.
This works pretty darn good on this. I like when you swap out the head, it automatically turns off. That one does not. You get that side, I get this side.
Alright, ready? We'll do it 5 times.
5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take a look. So this is the previous version. And this is the new version, which has a curved de-shedding tool. And which one do you think has more hair on it? I think the flat one works better. And then the new version has a curve and it doesn't work as good. This one first. 5. Use 5 of them. So that's the previous version.
Yeah,
brush it 5 times. Alright, let's take a look. So this was really designed for a cat, like softer hair, not coarse hair.
He didn't like that brush. He got up, he didn't like the way it felt on his
Yeah,
hand.
he doesn't like this brush. So yeah, once again, this doesn't work well for coarse hair. This is more softer, long hair.
Oh, her tummy's getting so tense when I do that.
Let's see. Yeah, this tool works really well on both pets. Let's see.
I feel like this one works way better on her.
Let's see.
Look at that.
Okay.
So it works better on her than him.
So on smaller cats, this actually works really well. Having
fluffy
that,
cats.
yeah, having that curved blade works better on smaller pets. And this is the trimmer. And it shades off pretty good. You see? Oh yeah. Okay. I know it's not meant for men, but if you have a hairy back or a hairy chest, this may be for you. So guys, I think both pet grooming vacuums work really well. Of course, if you like the pet hair remover for your clothes, and also if you have a medium to small dog or a cat, the nail grinder is really a useful tool. Once again, the S1 Pro is for you. Currently, the S1 Pro is on sale. Jump on it now. Check out the link in the video description below. Bam! Stay. Good boy. Lay down. Roll over. Oh, yeah! Crash. So guys, if you're interested in the NeaKasa S1 Pro, go ahead and check out the link in the video description below. If you know anyone that owns a pet, go ahead and click on the share button below, share this video to them, help someone out. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. And if you found this video informative, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.